or uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage is a type of coverage that you can buy to protect yourself in the unfortunately very likely event that somebody who causes a crash in Florida either does not have insurance or does not have enough insurance to cover you for your injuries. Recent studies that I've seen show that 20% of drivers in Florida don't carry any insurance that would help protect you in the event that they cause a crash. In our firm's experience, having done this for over 30 years, nearly half the drivers on the road don't carry sufficient insurance to cover you in the event that you are injured. That's the reason why purchasing this extra insurance is so important. It adds an extra layer of protection that you can go after in the event that you're involved in an accident that's not your fault. Here's a question that I hear all the time. Well, my insurance agent said that if I have health insurance, I don't need to purchase uninsured motorist coverage. Unfortunately, that's something we've heard from a lot of our family and friends and even some of our clients. But it's just not true. Health insurance is great and it's going to protect and pay your medical expenses, but it doesn't cover things like lost wages or your pain and suffering, which are the things you need to be compensated for if you're injured in a crash. In order to make a claim against your own insurance policy, several steps have to happen first. That's why it's important to check with an attorney who can best advise you on your rights. Uninsured or underinsured motorist coverages is one of the cheapest things that you can do to protect you and your loved ones in the event that an accident happens. Oftentimes, the insurance companies will try to dissuade you from purchasing this important coverage. But what we've found is it's often coverage that you can purchase for sometimes just dollars a month. And it's very important to purchase this extra coverage to protect you from all the unsafe drivers on the roads in Florida. If you have multiple cars, one of the things that you can do is you can stack your insurance coverage. What stacking means is that the amount of coverage that you purchase will apply multiplied times the number of cars that you have.